Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Adib Danial bin Azhar. I'm from Bachelor Public Relations with Media Contemporary Semester 5. So today I'm doing this video to present my research proposal, and then I prepared this video for my honor lecturer Dr. Isyaku bin Hassan. Okay, as we can see here, the element that I want to present today, the first thing I want to present is a title and a background of the study. Second is a problem statement of my research. The third is a research objective and research question of the study. And the fourth is significance of the study. Fifth, theoretical approach. Next is a methodology. And the last is a major reference. So the first thing is a title and the background of the study. So my research title is the e-learning challenges among students of public relations at the Malaysian University. So what is the background of the study? The background of the study is the technological impact on education for the first point. So the background recognizes that technology has brought more revolution in the education sector. This revolution is primarily attributed to the advent of online learning platform and virtual classroom, which have significantly transformed traditional educational approach. So the second background study is the challenges in a public relation education, which is despite the positive impact of e-learning in higher education, the study emphasized that its effectiveness in discipline like public relation is contingent on addressing unique challenge. Public relation education may have specific demands and nuances that require careful consideration when implementing e-learning strategies. So the next is enhance accessibility and inclusivity. So the study acknowledged the technology in education has the potential to enhance accessibility and inclusivity. Online learning platform break down geographical barriers, allowing individuals from diverse locations to access educational resource. So the next is a significant in higher education. In higher education, we can see that the study highlight the particular significance of e-learning platform with a specific emphasis on discipline like public relation. The integration technology in higher education is seen as not only trend but a fundamental shift in how education is delivered and experiences. And the last and not least, the background study is a growing importance of a digital communication. As we can see here, the study underscores the increasing significance of digital communication within the field of public relations. As technology continues to advance, public relations practitioners are relying more heavily on the digital channel for communications, such as social media, online platform, and digital campaigns. Next is a problem statement. So what is the scope of this study in the problem statement? So the scope is this study is focused on analyzing challenges in e-learning in a Malaysian university that students who take the public relation courses. Okay, so what is the relevance of the study? This study focus in the intersection of technology and education. These findings are relevant to ongoing discourse on integrating technology into higher education, particularly in the field of public relations. Understanding the challenges faced by students in an online learning environment is crucial for improving the overall student experience. Next is a research objective and research questions. For this study, for research objective, this study have two research objectives. So for the first thing is to examine the current landscape of e-learning challenges in the context of public relation education at Malaysian University. So the second is to explore how the challenges of e-learning influence Malaysian University of public relations students' learning process. So yeah, and next is a research question. This study have three research questions, which is first is what are the key e-learning challenges faced by the student in public relations at Malaysian University? The second is how do the challenges of e-learning influence Malaysian University of public relations student learning process? And third, how to improve e-learning challenges for public relations students in Malaysian University. Okay, so for the significance of the study, have four main points of the significance of the study. So first is improving public relation education in Malaysia. So this study holds a particular significance for enhancing public relation education in the Malaysian universities. So the second is crucial understanding for the stakeholders. Okay, understanding the challenges faced by public relations students in e-learning environment is crucial for educators, administrators, and the policy makers. So the next is a meaningful impact on education in this digital age. So overall, the research is positioned to make a meaningful impact on the improvement and the sustainability of the public relation education in this digital age, aligning program with the contemporary learning challenges and opportunities. So the last of this significance of the study, insight for educators and policymakers. By examining these challenges of e-learning, the research aims to provide actionable insight for educators, policymakers, and institutions involved in public relation education. Okay, so next is a theoretical approach. So for this study, I use a technology acceptance model or TAM theory approach. So for this theory proposed by Davis 1989, that a crucial factor influencing users' intention to adopt and use technology. So for this theory have three proponents. Okay, so first is the benefit of information technologies. So the concept that the acceptance and use of information technologies can bring benefit at individual and organizational level is derived from various scholars in the field of information system, with contributors such as Foley, Curley 1984, and Sharda, Ball, and McDonald 1988 being representative of this line of thought. So it's consideration of learning outcome. The consideration of learning outcome and the debate surrounding the predictive power of technology as a model are discussed on the context of scholars such as Arbau, who have contributed to the discussion on the applicability and limitation of technology as a model in predicting outcome related to learning and education. So the last is the critiques of this theory. While this theory, no specific individual are attributed to critique this theory, scholars such as Brown 2013 have discussed and evaluated the limitation and criticism associated with the model, particularly in the predicting learning outcome. This theory and scholar has significantly influenced the development and application of the theories and the concept guiding the research. So next is a methodology. So for the research method, I use for this study I use the quantitative approach. So this study will adopt a quantitative research method, emphasizing objective measurement and employing a statistical, mathematical, or numerical analysis of the data. So the quantitative research method, I use a questionnaire and a survey method. And next is a descriptive correlational research. So this research will utilize the descriptive correlational approach. So this methodology is chosen for its effectiveness in exploring the characteristics of a population or group and understanding the relationship between the different variables. So next is I use this statistical techniques. The quantitative approach allows the application of statistical techniques to analyze data. Statistical method will be employed to draw pattern, relation, and insight from the collected numerical data. So next is about the data collections. Okay, so this study focus on the investigating e-learning challenges among students who enroll in public relation program at Malaysian University. Just focus on that. So for the sample size, I will use only 50 respondents will be selected using the certified random sampling technique. This aims to capture the diverse perspective within the public relations student population. The sampling technique, I will use this study will employ the stratified random sampling technique. The population will be divided into the homogeneous subpopulation or strata based on a specific characteristics such as race, gender, ethnicity, location, or otherwise. For the research instrument, we'll use the questionnaire and the survey. The primary research instrument utilized will be a methodology structured questionnaire. This questionnaire is designed to collect quantitative data on various aspects of e-learning challenges. And what is questionnaire composition? The questionnaire will consist of mix of closed-ended and open-ended question. Closed-ended question provide specific response option, while open-ended question allow respondent to elaborate on their thought. Okay, so next is data analysis. So first is data analysis. I will use a descriptive statistic, which is descriptive will be employed to eliminate the frequency, distribution, and central tendencies of a response related to e-learning difficulties among a public relations student in Malaysian University. So next, I'm going to use a correlational analysis. Correlation analysis will be utilized to investigate the association among variables, facilitating the identification of plausible correlation among various phases of e-learning challenges. So what the software will use to analyze the data? So we use the statistical package for the social science SPSS. What you use a software package for statistical data analysis? So the SPSS a comprehensive suite of tools for exploring relation, relationship, patterns, and trends within the dataset systematically. Last but not least, is a major reference. So there is a 5 major reference that I use to guide my for my research proposal. So the first things, the first author or the first article or the research is from NG and Chan, published 24 November 2022. The research topic is a study on the effectiveness of the online platform in tertiary education in Malaysian University. The second is Ratinam, Navis, Murigia, and Suraya, 2023, about the trend, issue, and challenges in e-learning in the Malaysian education system. And the third is a Bachelor, 2021. His research is a Faculty of Education challenges of online learning to university student. So the fourth is a Gillett Swan J. That's the challenges of online learning, supporting and engaging the isolated learning journey of learning design. So the last is Saleh and Hussein, 1 January 2008. Their topic is e-learning education in Malaysia, the post in the research. Okay, so that's all for the presentation of my research proposal. I hope this study we will conduct or we will run smoothly and successful. So I hope Dr. Isyaku bin Hassan will be honored to guide me to success, to make this research success. So that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.